Hello and welcome back to Who Cares? The Randy Brady Show. The next episode in my series of Forex trading and getting into technical analysis, chart reading, and a little trading psychology perhaps thrown in. Um, we have been following this trade every time cycle, and no, once again, as you can see, it is the 4 hour time cycle, and it continues to drop. It is now 8 o'clock, um, and a new time cycle will, will begin now. And at this point, we don't see any sign of pausing, retracing, or pulling back. Now, this chart is slightly modified from our last session. I added a line here to track the current price as compared to the chart past. It's just a good reference point to to recognize po um, po points of interest at the end of time cycles. Now, one thing one thing we do not do is act mid time cycle. We react whatever is appropriate at the end of each time cycle. So about maybe 10, 5, or 10 minutes to the close of the time cycle, we look at the chart and start doing our technical analysis. Now, if we know exactly what we are looking for, and we do an analysis at the end of every time cycle, our analysis becomes easier and it takes less time, because at the end of each time cycle, all we're doing is updating our analysis from last time. It's like a story that continues to unfold. Now, in the next 1, 2, 3 time cycles, things may change dramatically. I don't know. But all I do know, and all we do care about at this point in time, is that right now it's been going down several time cycles and has shown no signs of doing anything different. So what we do is keep control of our emotions, positive or negative, remain patient, and we wait for an actual sign of something that will tell us what the market will do next. Now, we are apparently in a larger downtrend. And if it does retrace, I expect it not to form a higher high. If it is an actual turn back to the upside, there usually is, always exceptions, there usually is a signal to tell us it is now going back to the upside. If there is no turn signal, it's usually just a, a pullback or a retrace, a pause before continuing back in the downtrend. So we will stay patient. We will touch nothing, because if we go to a lower time frame, get all excited and nervous, and move our lines here, that can lead to disaster. Now, I'm sure you've heard the phrase, it's never wrong to take profit, or it's never the wrong time to take profit. I understand that saying, and I can agree with it to a point. However, when you are trading, especially this strategy, we have our sell trade pretty high up in this pattern. We have it placed at a very good spot. There is one spot that might have been better, but we did not open the chart in time to catch the first signal. Let me explain. The top right here, if we had gone down to the 1 hour chart, we would have seen right here this hitch and gotten in right here, a little bit higher than what we did. We missed that trade, so that's fine. Not a problem. We could have also gotten in over here and continued to write it down. We missed it for whatever reason, doesn't matter. It doesn't matter that we missed it. It's okay. We are in now, or apologize. Let me clarify. We got in over here at this signal. We could have got in over here if we had analyzed the chart at this time. We didn't. No big deal. Let it go. It's okay. But here we did. Okay. So this is just an example of how we use the 1 hour chart to help clarify and confirm what we see happening on the 4 hour chart. And you can see on the hour chart how it's making, the price is making more twists and turns as it's working its way down. That's fine. But I like to always track the trade on the 4 hour chart first. And then when I see at the possible signal, a spike like this, I can look on the 1 hour chart for clarification and confirmation. Now here, it's still going down. Now it is early in the time cycle, it may well just reverse direction and start up, and that's fine. I don't see any move upward that would put this trade in danger. But any move to the upside could well form a signal to add to the trade. We never just add. There's a saying, buy the dip. We don't just buy the dip. We specifically place our trades in a specific, purposeful location. Specific location. Just buying a dip, no. You will lose your money. So at this point, we will just let this run and see what happens in this time cycle. At the end of this time cycle, I may or may not record another session here. I'm not sure. However, in 12 hours, that's 3 time cycles, I will. So, not the end of this time cycle, but at the end of the next time cycle after this. In 4 to 12, 12 to 4. I apologize, I misspoke. In 3 time cycles, 12 hours, I will definitely be back online here with another session. My time is 8 p.m. At 8 a.m., 12 hours, or maybe 5-10 minutes before top of the hour. I will be back here with another live session. And that's the cat scratching the wall. Okay. So any questions, let me know in the comment section or email me. Please hit the like button and subscribe. And I will see you definitely in 12 hours, maybe possibly at the end of this time cycle. I'll have to wait and see how I feel. So I'm going to end the session now. So until next time, happy trading, and I wish you all a prosperous new year, and I'll see you next time.